this differently. Just gonna clean up some solder joints. Add a capacitor to a tone knob. Now I'm going to ground my lug to the volume pot. You want to do the right hand lug grounded to the pot. And do that on both sides. Now I'm attaching my ground wires. At this point, you could attach the grounds from your pickups as well, but I'm just showing you step by step to make it simpler. Now I'm attaching my ground wire to one of my tone pots. And you'll just make a U-shaped little loop throughout. Now I'm attaching the grounds from the pickups. Next, we'll attach our input jack, which here I make a mistake. I accidentally grab my bridge pickup instead of my input jack, but I fix it later. You want to put your input jack on your left-hand lug on your volume, and then link it to your other volume pot, also attaching it to the left-hand lug. Now